Hello everyone, Install Easy here. Today we're going to show you how to quickly install Audacity on your Windows operating system. Audacity is a free open source software that allows you to edit audio files and add effects. Open Microsoft Edge, so double click, type Audacity. It found it for us, Audacity download. Okay, we're going to use this one. As you can see, this is the official website. Click on it. And under here, click on your operating system, which is Windows, and wait for it. It will automatically start the 64-bit executable for you, or you can find the version that you need. We could run the installation from here. However, close this out, go to File Explorer, click Downloads, double click Audacity, Win 64-bit, and for this, grant permissions, click Yes. Select your language, click OK, click Next, click Next, Next, click, and it says create a desktop shortcut, and just click Next and click Install. It's extracting files for us. Give it a few and click Next and Finish. And here it is. This is Audacity. As you can see, it created a desktop icon for us. And finally, if you wanted to pin it here, just right click and click pin to taskbar, and it will always be there for you. All right, we're done for today. Leave a comment on installs you would like to see on this channel. From the team here at Install Easy, see you next time.